going on, guys? It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. I had to say it over again. Probably didn't say it right. Let me say it one more time. It's your boy, Mr. MMO, Mr. MMC. Let's get it. Let's go. Camera tripping, tweaking out. It's all good. Let's get it. Most of you guys probably have heard of this app or website. Most of you guys probably haven't. But how I'm going to use this is just, paying for traffic, you know what I'm saying, and then promoting it. Alright, guys. So, this app right here, website, it's multiple ways to make money, guys. Just got to put your mind together. But the main two things that I can think of to make money is to, use it for what it's, for. You can either come here to be a person that, have a talent for any of these things. So if you're a person that, know how to make music, business plan, or content, marketing, or anything, guys, on this website you can make money from, right? But nothing's guaranteed if you on the other side, like myself, that's gonna be using maybe I could say branding services, uh, desktop application. I don't know, maybe marketing or something like that. You know what I'm saying, branding yourself and stuff like that. Anything on some business stuff that I can use. Maybe short video ads. I don't know, but definitely marketing strategies, stuff like that. So, buying traffic, guys, that's what I'm looking into. So, we find something that, that I can, go off of. So, okay. So, alright, guys. So, let's say website building, right? Let's say, I don't want to build my own website because I'm not great at it, right? Or I want to online advertise, market, right? Pay for traffic. All I can do is this, right? Boom, go here. And they shorten it up. But let me go back to the other one, website building. So they break that up, right? I know my fuck, excuse my language. I was gonna say fuck, but I said it already, right? My language can't, be on YouTube cursing and stuff like how, people used to. I've been doing good, but hey, the F word slipped out. I really don't curse much on my shit, but it is what it is. But yeah, there's so many ways you can, make money if you a person that, have any talent. And then also you can make money by, so like for me, for example, so let's say if I have like a business, right? 'Cause most of the stuff that I talk about on my channel is about, making money online. So I got a website or an app or anything, I want to make money, I want to bring referrals, get some referrals, right? Get, some referral commission. I just go find, maybe it's something for local advertisement. I go here, boom, something like that, and I go find what I'm looking for, and then you'll pay for it. Now another way is if somebody's just like me that I, just gave you an example, and they coming in, they looking to pay for something. Just by you bringing them in, you can get a referral commission, guys. Let me go back to it. So say invite friends and get up to $100. Introduce your friends, the fastest way to get things done. So you bring up, if you bring in friends, you can get paid up to $100, guys, per friend. I've been in this program for a while, but haven't really tested out. Because to be honest with you, when I first got in years ago, I didn't know anything about it, how to make money and stuff. So, now I do. And come join, guys. I mean, it's self-explanatory. I mean, just multiple ways to, make money if you're a person that, fit any of those ways of making money. And then also, if you don't know how to do websites or don't have a lot of any of these things on here, or don't have, anything that you're looking for, if you want a chat box, if if you need sound designs, anything that either you know how to make yourself on here that they have a list of, or you need, you can either pay for it or make it and get paid. So it's for everybody. It's a win-win situation. And then the thing is, just by being on it, using it yourself, you can tell people about it and get paid. So that's another great, awesome thing about it. So come join, guys. I had a link below the description. You can use the website or mobile app. I want to say it's for both Android and iOS. But man, it's your boy, Mr. M.O., Mr. MC. Let's get it. Let's go. I know you want to know the name of the program. That's the name of the program right there. I ain't gonna hide it. Most of y'all heard of it. If you ain't heard of it, there it is. The whole time I haven't said anything, but at the end of the day, we're gonna say something now. Because we're about to get up out of here, alright? So the name of the program is right there. I don't have to tell you. You can say it yourself. If you don't know, hey, somebody else will tell you. I'm not gonna say it. It's right there. Let's get it. Let's go. Alright, well, let me stop being an a-hole. It's Fiverr, guys, if you don't know how to pronounce it. Alright? You happy? Let's get it. Let's go. Come join. Like I said, once again, bring in people. You don't even have to do anything, but just bring in people that need this, that need anything that I just showed you up here. Anybody that need any of these things, boom. No matter if it's a rapper, ball player, a person that, need papers typed up or, stuff like that, research and stuff. I mean, man, they got it all, guys. See video marketing, packaging design, slideshow video, guys, they got it all. Web banners, video editing, they even got stuff for video games, guys. What else? Just come join, man.